Good afternoon, friends. I am Dr. Samiksha doing MD Microbiology in BMC. Today, I will be teaching you about one of the infectious diseases, that is diphtheria. Diphtheria is caused by Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Diphtheriae means leather-like. Why it is called so? Because in diphtheria you have pseudomembrane which is leather-like. Now coming to the organism. It is a gram-positive bacilli which is non-spore-bearing, non-capsulating and non-motile. And it produces a Chinese letter pattern on gram stem. On gram stem, it produces Chinese letter pattern, whereas on Albert stain, special stains like Albert stain, Nisser stain and Ponder stain, it will produce metachromatic granules. Now coming to the question why this happens. Chinese letter pattern is due to snapping type of division and metachromatic granules is a form of storage which has polymetaphosphates. Now where else do you see metachromatic granules? You also see metachromatic granules in Corynebacterium ulcerans and Gardnerella vaginalis. Now, we will compare Corynebacterium diphtheria with diphtheroids. Diphtheroids are diphtheria-like. Diphtheria is pathogenic whereas diphtheroids is normal commensal. Diphtheria produces Chinese letter pattern on gram stem, whereas diphtheroids produce palisading pattern, that is, they will be arranged parallel. Now, diphtheria is non-motile, whereas diphtheroids is motile. Other pathogenic organisms which causes diseases are Corynebacterium ulcerans and Corynebacterium pseudotuberculosis. Now coming to the pathology of diphtheria, we have two varieties of presentation. One is faucial diphtheria, another one is cutaneous diphtheria. What happens in faucial diphtheria is there will be formation of pseudomembrane where there is local bacterium and there will be systemic toxin. Coming to cutaneous diphtheria, there is only bacterium. Coming to cutaneous diphtheria, there is only bacterium. In toxinia, you have two types of toxins, toxin A and toxin B. Toxin B for binding, will bind and toxin A will go inside. What toxin A will do is, it will inhibit elongation factor 2, which will cause inhibition of protein formation in the host cell. As I had told you, this is Corynebacterium diphtheria, which is gram-positive bacilli, and on special stains like Albert stain, it will produce metachromatic granules. So coming to the clinical features, they will come with thick speech, foul breath, stridor, and in worst case scenario, they can come with bull neck appearance and respiratory distress. Bull neck appearance will look like this. And they will have pseudomembrane which bleeds on peeling. Now coming to differential diagnosis, you have something called angioedema, in which you can see there is swelling around the eyes, around the mouth and puffy cheeks, which is not looking like bull neck appearance. You also have pharyngitis as a differential diagnosis, where there is no pseudomembrane, there is congestion and granulation. You have another differential diagnosis, which is oral candidiasis, which on peeling there is no bleeding, but in pseudomembrane there is bleeding on peeling.